In this video, I'm here at the Long Beach, California Impressions Expo, here at the Circle Clothing booth with my man Kaiser. How you guys doing? My name is Stan Banks from T-Shirt Side Hustle, and I help people start t-shirt businesses from home, wherever you at. And in this video, we're going to tour the full line of Circle Clothing and what's to come as well, right after the intro. Okay, let's jump right into it. But before we do, you guys know what to do for me. I need you to like this video, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff, because I make videos like this all the time. And yes, I mean all the time. All right, man. It's been a great year, man. I found Circle Clothing and my man Kaiser here in 2020. Things have gone a long way, and they got a lot more things to come in the future here. So how's it been for you guys?
It's been an amazing journey. We've had a great run with all the products that we've had. And thanks for all the love and support that the entire community has given us. So we're really humbled by all the support that you guys have given us, and it's been an amazing journey for us so far.
Yeah, man, it's been crazy. So we got some new stuff to show you guys. Some of you guys may have seen it if you're members of the channel. But first, we're gonna show you guys everything that's to come. Some of the stuff I haven't even showed you guys, like the women's shirts and all the other stuff. So he's gonna give us a tour. I'm gonna flip the camera around, then I'm gonna come back and show you guys the good stuff.
So let's start with our t-shirts. This is our style 2581. Look at the fabric, the hand feel on it, the fibers. There's nothing on top of the surface. So that is your perfect product for printing. There's nothing on the surface, so it helps you when you print your product here. The results turn out absolutely amazing. And we're all about, soft hand feel, amazing print results.
How many colors are there right now?
So we've got about 32 colors in this, and all the colors are on display over here. So if you look at it, all these colors, they're over here, and then we have some more colors over here, and then we go on and we have more colors over here. And we're going to be introducing our camo this season. This is what it looks like. It's going to be available somewhere around March. This is in production at the moment, so that's going to be hitting in March very soon.
The beautiful thing about that camo right there is it's just as soft as every other shirt. Absolutely. A lot of the time you get that heavy camo feel with all of the shirts on the industry, so it still has that soft hand feel, so it's going to feel great.
Absolutely. And then I want to introduce our women's line. So this is our style 3900. We have 10 colors in this. Again, the same fabric, our soft loom blend. Extremely soft hand feel and nothing on the surface. So that's what really helps us getting excellent print results on the whole thing. So you've got about 10 colors over here. You can look at it from that side. Let me just flip it up a bit, and you'll be able to see all these beautiful colors that we have.
The great thing about this, I know a lot of you guys in the beginning, the tag has changed. I know some of the stuff, pretty much all of it has these now. But before it was one tag, but now we got 2 tags, so you can rebrand. You can tear the top one off and leave the label in there if you want to rebrand and do different things like that. So pretty cool.
So now we go to our hoodies, 2790. So we've made a few improvements into the product. First of all, the soft hand feel and the amazing feel that the fabric has still stays same, and that's what you all guys like about us. What we've changed or added to the product is we have DTM eyelets, so no more silver eyelets out there, which you get with every other product that there is in the market. So we wanted to have something that is slightly more different, and for all the brands out there to give more value to their customers, this really helps. So this is going to stand out. It's not going to be your average hoodie which has those same silver grommets. And we've also added these bullet tips here, which are the same color. So if you take a black hoodie, it's going to be black. If you take a white, it's going to be white. If you take a pink, it's going to be pink. So, with all the colors, they have their own DTM grommets, and then they have their own bullet tips. Now, this is something that can really stand you out, and it can add more value to your customer, and you can actually it's going to help you fetch better margins with your customers. So if you're giving out a premium product, you can ask for more modules with your customer that way.
So how many hoodie colors are there?
We've got about 15 colors in our stock now. And let me show you our new color that is going to be hitting in March. This is going to be a neon yellow, and this is going to be a polyester blend. So if you look at the feel, it looks like cotton, but it is polyester, and you can sublimate on this as well. So this is going to be really, really cool. You'd be able to do your sublimation prints on this hoodie. So it's just going to come in 2 colors. We don't have the neon pink on display at the moment. We're going to be launching a neon yellow and a neon pink on this. All right, let's go to our joggers. We have about 12 colors in our joggers. Let's start with these. So very popular sand color that we have. The fits are amazing. The fabric is the same. The hand feel is really, really good. And you know, you just can't take them off. I mean, I love wearing them. I wear them all the time, and it's the best thing that there is. You know, I don't like wearing pants anymore, to be honest. They're so comfortable. So these are all the colors that we have. All right. So these are some of the colors on display over here. We've got the reds, the royals, the navies, the pinks, Kelly, powder pink, neon yellow is going to be there. We've got the heather gray, the charcoal, the reds, the whites, the black, sand, all these colors on display. All right, so this year we have tie-dye hoodies and tie-dye jogger pants as well in our stock, and they're all matching sets, so you know they're available as a set. Sets are really popular these days. People want to have the same colors, the same designs on the top and the back, bottom. So we're gonna have tie-dye hoodies, and we're gonna have the same tie-dye bottoms as well. So you guys can buy this on our website now. It's available, it's in stock, and we have 7 different designs in this. So if you look at it like this, there's some really, really cool, interesting designs out there that you guys can work with, and you know you can do some amazing prints with this. And you know, it's really, really cool. And everything comes with a matching jogger. So if you want to buy a separate piece, you can do that. And if you want to buy them as a set, you can do that. So there's complete flexibility on our platform for that. All right, so let's go to our tie-dye t-shirts. We have 6 new designs that have come in, and these are the new designs. Some of them are really, really good. Like this one. All of these are again the same fabric that we use, so it's not your rough fabric. It's really soft. The hand feels really nice, and you know, it's gonna turn out some great art out there. Yeah, stick it on like this. All right, so we got these Camo Hoodies as well, like we did on the t-shirts. We got a new collection to our camouflage series, and we have hoodies in that as well, and it has the same color bullet tip, the same color eyelet, and we have matching this with a jogger, so you can do the whole set. Looks really nice. The hand feel is really, really soft. You're gonna love this when you guys wear this. All right, so here we have our Crewneck Sweatshirts. We've got 6 different colors on this. The colors are here. We've got the royal, the red, the navy, the black, the white, and the heather gray. Once again, it's the same amazing soft wool fabric. Look at the surface on this. It's really, really soft, and the hand feels is amazing. All these colors for you guys to decorate your audience.
All right, guys, the first thing I want to show you guys is the unbranded shorts and the classic shorts, right? You guys remember last year we had these in the red, royal, navy, heather gray, white and black. Followed by the unbranded collection, where we brought in a lot of bright colors that you guys can use, more summer, more colored, a lot of things that you can do with these. You can pair them with a t-shirt, white shirt, print on them how you want. They have an above the knee fit, which is super awesome. They are in stock and ready to go. So when the season hits and it's time to go, you can go ahead and get started moving some shorts for your brand, for your customers, and give them something that they want. Let them know that it's above the knee fit. I got my own DNA in these, and it's super, super cool to have. All right. Up next, I'm gonna take you guys to the t-shirt line, right? You guys see what I have on here. You guys will get it real soon. But first, we have our acid wash collection, which has a few colors: red, like a dark gray, and like a navy, right? So these have a lot of character to them. So as you wash these, the white is gonna show through, the red is gonna start to disappear. So over time, the more you wear it, the more you wash it, it's gonna change, it's gonna adjust. That's something different. And I love these right here personally myself. Up next, we have our mineral wash line, which comes in like a light blue. You guys see what I did with it right here. We got a dark black, we got a gray, and this one is like a denim color, right? So these are super cool. Again, a lot different, more character to the prints. You add something to them, they're gonna look really, really good. I can't wait to print black on this one. All right, so the last thing I wanna show you guys is super, super important to me, man. This is something different. Nobody in the industry on a wholesale level has these available for you guys, man. This is the active fleece line, right? So I got the prototypes on right now. If you're a member of the channel, you already seen them as we were developing them. So right here, we have the active fleece line. All right, we got a different fit, a lot of fine detail on these. This waistline, I just found out we added this at this show right now, so that is a cool thing. You want the athleisure, you got a workout brand, you got some workout customers that you print for gyms or different things like that. You don't have to give them the same old fleece. You have something that they can wear, be active, they fit great, they feel great. All right, we got zip up pockets, all right? Nice fine detail right there. Again, same tips as you had before. Zip up back pocket. There's some panels on the pants here. The one thing that I did different with this hoodie is we went with a pullover hoodie to match, right? A lot of these designs or styles that you may find in the stores are zip up. So we got a different type of hoodie. Looks good. Again, pocketed, zipper. The pocket goes all the way through. We got a large print area here. And the best thing about this is the pocket is printable as well. Now, you can't go over the seam. You probably could. It's a little smooth, but everything is smooth and open for you guys to be able to print on. Really, really easy. Again, just like the pants, it has some panels on them. We got panels on the tops. So I'm gonna show you guys the colors that we have, and I'm gonna show you what's gonna change about these as well. Give me 1 second. So we have a few colors here that you guys get to see this first go around. All right, we got red. All of these will have the black zipper right now, but when they come out, in order to give you more print options, we decided to go color on color. So I thought if we put a white print on here, it would look a little crazy, just from my eye and my expertise. So I said, you know what we should do? We should go color on color. That's red, we'll have red. The royal, we'll have royal. Navy, and so on and so forth. So with these, we're looking to have them in stock. All of this stuff kind of in stock by the summertime, around April, May-ish, to be in stock and have everything available for you guys. So this is the full line. We also have the joggers, like I said, same colorways to match. It's gonna be super awesome. You'll be able to give your customers something super new, and I'm guaranteeing you, at least for the next 365 days, nobody in the industry will have these. And if they do, you know where they got it from. Right here at Circle Clothing, courtesy of your man Stan Banks. All right, guys, one of the last details that I almost left out for you guys is the difference between a regular hoodie and an active fleece hoodie when it comes to the interior. So this one here has a soft plush interior, just like a heavy cotton or fleece. But this interior has a jersey feel, and it looks and feels great. Again, more active, more clean, so that you guys can do a lot more with it. You'll feel more active and keep you a lot cooler when you're actually doing some of that active stuff that we're talking about in this video. So let me know what you think about the new unbranded collection that we have coming out for you guys. Also, let me know what you think about the full line. If you think we should add colors to any of these styles, let me know down in the comments below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This has been your boy Stan Banks from T-Shirt Sasu here at the Long Beach Expo in Circle Clothing's booth. Peace.